Hey guys, welcome to another kind of strange video. We're going to take a look at a 8-bit mini arcade game machine. I don't know what to expect from this one. I never actually had one of these before. It's made again by Billboard, like the other tiny keychain Game Boy-ish. This one is a 2.2-inch screen, colored obviously. Model BB2859. Takes 3 AA batteries, which I guess they couldn't afford to include them in the box. And let's open the box and see what did they give us this time with this box. The seals that they have never been cut before. And let's see if it's a bust or something that I will actually like. Usually I kind of like these things. They're kind of novelty that you don't see every day. Let's take it out, and there's some kind of tiny booklet on the thing here. If you want to read it, you can pause the video, which the camera is not focusing on it. Right here, user manual. It has all this stuff here that you're to raise it and all that stuff. We're gonna take that away and take a look at the machine itself. It looks actually cool. I'm not gonna lie. It looks really nice. It has a joystick, which feels pretty sturdy and nice. A and B buttons, function buttons, and I'm guessing this is on and off button. And let's put some batteries on it. Let's see if we can get this plastic out of it. Oh yeah, that's a pleasure. Now I have some cheapo batteries here that I will put in it and see if that's even a thing that I can play with. 3 triple A's it said, so let's take 3 Harbor Freight batteries. No, can't get any cheaper, right? Oh, looks like it has some kind of screw here that I have to take off, which I have a screwdriver here. Let's just take it off. And the screws out, put it on the side. Yep, and here go the batteries. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, it's not on, looks. Okay, we're gonna turn it back on in a minute. Let me put the back cover on. Let me put the back screw on. And see how it goes. Okay. And, let me turn it back on. Enjoy some royalty-free music. Let's see what games it has. It says the camera here. Pobble, Small Dinosaur, Hexapod, Abscondy, either Carcivar, Aim Cruise, Warp Man. Let me just go through a few of them so you can pause the screen and you can take a look. So it has 240 games in total. Now let's I don't know, let's just get Lucky Ball. Press A or B to start now. None. Oh, it has a start button right here that I'm supposed to click. Ha 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 ha. I don't really. Oh, okay. I see what's going on. I don't know if you guys can see that. Huh. So it's like a pinball. You can click both at the same time, or you can control it with the joystick. Let me reset it so we go to another game. Let's check the very first game. Hubble. 1 player. Of course, 1 player. Okay. Okay. Oh, so you have to watch out from those things, looks like. You click A to start, and the joystick to go around. Oh. So you collect those dots. Oh. It's actually pretty cool. And it stands like a small arcade game. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera. It's actually a pretty cool device. Let me reset it and go back to main screen. And I wish it had Super Mario though. Cannonade, Ballyhoo, Corridor, Police Dog, Dune War, Music Moment, Fruit Dish, Assault, Frantic Mouse, Dune War, Pindable, River Jump. What is River Jump? Let's try that one. One player. Okay, so you can just walk with a joystick, looks like. Oh, and I got beat. Perfect. Okay. I don't really know how to play this one, so don't fault me on it. I have to walk, I guess, here. And watch out from these thingies. Do I eat that stuff? Oh, look. Okay, so I'm not supposed to hit the walls or get hit by those enemies coming. But yeah, it's a really nice machine. Let me reset it again. And I think it cost around $20-something. I'm not sure about the price, how it goes now. But it has a cool 8-bit music, as you see. And it's a pretty cool tiny machine. It's a pretty cool tiny machine. And I don't really know what else to check on it today. And as you know, I'm not really the best gamer probably there is. So if gamers are out there, well, it's okay. Feel free to say, oh, what a bad job you did. You could have played this game and you could have played that game. So that's up to you to decide. Start, I think, here. Okay, I have no idea how this one plays. Okay. Oh, so I am here, looks like. I go down. Do I get those balls? Yeah. Oh, I have to go through the blade too. Okay. Let's see for the wait for the blade to go. Ah, okay. And I got smashed. Woo! It's a beautiful game. Not gonna lie. It's a very nice, cute video game arcade made by Billboard again. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video and hit that like and subscribe button if you don't mind. And otherwise, that's all I had to say for today, and that's all I had to watch. And see you next time. Bye!